Hello my friends, it's Marilyn. I have this layout for you today as tutorial that I made with the April limited edition kit. I'm going to use this family photo with my husband, me, my sister and my brother-in-law. This is the paper and I'm going to use this chipboard that came in that kit. I'm going to start today working with the chipboard. I'm just put the chipboard over the manufacturing packaging and I'm apply a little of the white acrylic paint, and with the brush I apply the paint and give a coat of this white paint over all the chipboard. Once I cover all the chipboard with the same brush, I push down the chipboard immediately. You don't want that they dry in completely as you see, because they will stick in the big piece, so you need to remove it immediately. I'm going to let it dry, and now I'm going to work with the paper. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out this piece. Okay, this is the wreath that inspired me to create this layout. Now I'm going to use cardboard and I'm going to put some of this cardboard on the back because I want that the wreath stay with dimension and volume. So I'm going to stick all these on the back, and once it's ready you can see here. Now I want to give depth, so I'm inking with vintage photo all the borders of the wreath. And you can see here I already attached the bigger flowers that I found in the packages, and now I'm going to start to build to create my flower arrangement with the different paper flowers from the papers that I cut out. And I also add chipboard behind the flowers. I want to create this with layers and dimension. These flowers, the small yellow flowers, are from the package, so I am combining the different flowers and elements from the kits. I am going to add also the chipboards, and I'm going to let you with music and you can see relax how I make the flower arrangement, and I come back soon. Okay, so far it looks like that, but I will continue adding more things later. Now you can see the photo, the mat. I've rounded the corners and then put a piece of chipboard of cardboard on the back. In this area I will place the title, that is this hello, and I'm going to add also some phrases that came, I don't know, in the laser, or is the other part is from the ephemera. Oh, I made this other background. I used the stencil with a gel medium, and look how it look. Okay, I will continue with this, and at the end I will decide which one. So I'm going to work the pink background too. Here I attach these two from the ephemera, I think it is, and I'm going to put this as part of my title, and I'm going to attach later this on the bottom of the hello. Not sure in what area exactly. Right now, let's move to the background. This is the stencil that came in that kit. I'm using modeling paste in heavy gesso. I'm going to work this different. I'm going to let the wreath, and I am applying now the modeling paste. Once I know exactly when I'm going to add the modeling paste, is that I've removed the wreath and I am applying modeling paste, and over the modeling paste I am adding the heavy gesso, and I place again, and I want to add here, and I'm let me see, how can I explain you? For me it's easier for me to visualize in this way the areas that I want to add the texture. I like that the stencil textures on the background, let me see how I can explain, that they are like a companion and not a competitor. You know what I mean? That everything blends together and looks lovely. Not a mess of texture on the background, just that both are blend together and looks nice and soft. So I continue here. I remove again the wreath. I also, in this case, I use the pencil and make marks in the area specific that I want the texture, because as you see I add just some touches, and here are completely dry, and I'm using now my Sharpie oil marker, and I am applying more white. It is like a paint over this texture, and because I want to highlight all this area. And now it's time to adhere the wreath on the background. So I also add in the adhesive, and I'm going to adhere this my wreath here. I am playing with the different things here, and look how it looks so far. Okay, once I have this, it's time to add the photo, and I'm going to attach this here in this area. And now I'm going to add the title, that I want to put the title on the bottom of the photo. As you see, that is the reason that I left the part of the bottom empty, because I want to place the photo and the title and the other phrase that I cut. And I'm going to place this here, and I'm adding this tiny flower here on the back. I can't put more things now. This part I'm going to attach this with hot glue, because I want to attach this behind the title. So I am trying carefully to add this in this area. Now I am cutting a piece of chipboard, because I need something that supports the space, the blank space here, so to create the dimension and that they don't fall later. Now I'm adding here more the small flowers that I have, some chipboards and more leaves to give here the finishing to this area. And you can see here how lovely it looks now. Now I'm going to adhere all this piece, and I'm going now to add pearls. Then I'm going to add some art stones and sequins, and I'm going to let you with music during this process. I come back soon. Now I'm going to add white paint splattered, and let me tell you that I had this video saved, and I have finally did it from this layout, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the last step, and I'm going to show you how it looks soon. I add in enough of the white paint splatter. Let me know what do you think, if you like with the pink cardstock, or you prefer, as I show you first, with the white. Here is already, look, all the detail. I am in love with my page. I already framed it. This is the frame that I am exhibit my work now on the wall, and you can see here how lovely it looks. Well, for me it's lovely. I love it. And let me know what do you think with a comment down below. If you like, please let me know with a thumbs up, and I let you hear the photos with the close-up. I also let you all the photos in my social media, and in the description box down below are the link to my creative, to my social media, and I'm going to let you hear 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I hope that you find inspiration. Here is, and I come back soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.